Okay, so here it says use the objects to create an array. So what we're going to do is we're going to count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 circles. So now what we need to do is we need to draw these 10 circles into an array. So I'm going to do 1, 2. You can do this in many different ways. This is just one example. 3, 4, 5. There's one row of 5. And 1, 2, 3. Oops. 4, 5. Good. So now it says there are an even or odd number of circles. Let's think about it. Is the number 10 even or odd? This is something that you are going to need to continue to practice and that you need to know. 10, if we look in the ones place, has a 0. 0 is an even number, so we know that it is even. Also, if we count by 2s, we will land on 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now it says redraw your picture with one less circle. So if I were to redraw this picture with one less circle, what I would do is I would draw, let's see, 9 circles. Whoops. I would draw 9 circles. Let me see if I can get this straight though. There we go. 3, 4, 5. There's one row of 5. Now let's see if I could do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, it says 1 less, so there's going to be 1 missing. 10. 1 less than 10 is 9. Now, are there an even or odd number of circles? 10 is even. 9 is odd. That's just something that you're going to have to know. So, you're going to continue to do the rest here. You're going to count the amount of circles, then you're going to order them in an array. Here, you're going to do one more. So it's going to do whatever number this is, plus 1. You need to know if it's even or odd. And then here, same thing, even or odd, but this time 1 less. For the second page, it wants to know if a number is even or odd. 6 is even, so we wrote an E for even. 4 is even, so there's an E for even. And 10 is even, so there's an E for even. 6 is even, plus 4 is even, is equal to 10, even. So let's do the same thing here. 14, I'm going to skip over to this one. 14 is an even number. It ends in a 4 in the ones place. Plus 8, which is also an even number. 14 plus 8. I want you to take a moment to think about what 14 plus 8 is. 14 plus 8 is 22. Is 22 an even or odd number? 22 is an even number because if we look over here in the ones place, it ends in 2. 2 is even. I'll do one more of these with you, but the rest you should know on your own. You need to know what an even number is and what an odd number is. I can't tell you, that's something that you need to know. 17. Let's look in the ones place. There's a 7 in the ones place. 7 is an odd number. 17 is odd. Plus 2. We have 2, and if we count by 2s, it's even. We can count by 2s, it's even. 2 is an even number. 17 plus 2 is 19. If we look in the ones place, there's a 9. Is 9 even or odd? It is odd. So you will continue to do that for these 3. Now it says, write 2 examples for each case. Write if your answers are even or odd. The first one has been started for you, so you can add whatever number you want, as long as you're following the rule. It did it for you. Add an even number, 32 is even, to an even number, 8 is even. Then you solve. 32 plus 8 equals 40. They looked at the number 40, and that is even. So now you will create your own problem. An even number plus an even number. You solve that, and you tell me if it is even or odd. I will do this one for you. An odd number, so I'm going to think of an odd number. I'm going to say 21. There's a 1 in the ones place, which means it's odd. 21, and then it says add to an even number. 21 plus, I'm going to say 4, equals, and I'm going to solve that on my own. I just picked any random numbers, one odd and one even. That equals 25. 25 is odd. That's all you're doing. You're making up 1 here for even plus even. Now you're doing odd plus even, and then you're going to write what it equals. And then here you're doing an odd plus an odd. So I'll do one more for you as an example, but then you need to think of 3 on your own. An odd number, now I'm going to say 13, plus an odd number, I'm going to say, let's say 11. 13 plus 11. I'm going to give you a moment to think about that. (13 plus 11 is 24. Is 24 even or odd? Let's look at the ones place. There's a 4. 2, 4. This is even. So those are your examples here. Now here, you're going to come up with 3 on your own.